Good day, students. I am Mrs. Bosede Joderinde. I welcome you all to the radio lesson organized by the Lagos State Ministry of Education, and I'll be your basic science teacher for this session. The topic for today is Living and Non-Living Things 3. And the subtopic for today is Differences between Plants and Animals. As this lesson progresses, students will be able to 1. Classify living things as plants and animals. 2. Give 5 examples each of plants and animals. 3. Differentiate between plants and animals. 4. Recognize and explain the uses of plants and animals. 5. Make a plant album. Let us identify some keywords and get their meanings before delving into today's topic. Characteristics: a distinguishing quality. Autotrophs: these are organisms that produce their own food. Heterotrophs: these are organisms that cannot manufacture their own food, but depend on food produced by autotrophs. Animal: living organism characterized by voluntary movement. Plants: a living thing that grows on the earth and usually have a stem, leaves, and roots. It lacks the power of locomotion. Differentiate means to mark as different. Photosynthesis: the process by which green plants manufacture their own food in the presence of sunlight. Cell: the basic unit of life. Chlorophyll: this is the green pigment in plants. Nucleus: this controls the activities of the cell. Asexual reproduction: a type of reproduction that does not involve the fusion of gametes. Sexual reproduction: a type of reproduction that involves the fusion of gametes. Apical growth: growth of plants at the roots and shoot tips. Intercalary growth: this is growth in all parts of the body. Introduction. In the previous class, we gave some examples of plants and animals. Can you name 2 plants and animals? Good. We also discussed the characteristics of living things. We stated the characteristics to be movement, respiration, nutrition, irritability, growth, excretion, reproduction, death, adaptation, and competition. Today, before discussing the differences between plants and animals, let's remind ourselves some examples of each of them. Examples of animals are man, lion, dog, cat, bird, fish, wall gecko, chicken, cow, housefly, cockroach, grasshopper, mosquito, snake, etc. And examples of plants are hibiscus plant, crotalaria plant, pride of Barbados, pawpaw tree, carpet grass, water lily, cassava plant, yam plant, etc. Since we know the examples of living things, we may now talk about the differences between plants and animals. If you consider the characteristics of plants and animals, we shall see that they are all similar in many ways. All of them carry out the characteristics of living things, such as feeding, movement, respiration, reproduction, etc. However, the way they carry out all these characteristics differ. We will go on a break, and when we come back, we will state the differences between plants and animals.